Did you know this is the biggest object humans have ever sent into space? It may not look like it, but this is actually a 20-kilometer-long piece of wire. That is as tall as the Empire State Building. Well, 45 of them. But what is it doing there? It must be the universe's longest string telephone. Hello? Can anyone hear me? Hello? Prepare for invasion, Earth. Well, that's not good. To understand what it is for, we need to look at Faraday's law of induction. If I move this loop of wire through this magnetic field, a small current is produced. You can increase the power generated by using more wire and moving it faster. Stick a propeller on the end, and now you have yourself a wind turbine.
This concept made the big brains at NASA go, Earth is basically a giant magnet.
So $400 million later, this is the plan they came up with. Earth has a big magnetic field, so we send a spaceship with a big wire. But Earth's magnetic field is very weak, so we send an even bigger wire. Then we move the spaceship super fast to generate power. Then we rule the galaxy. The system was called the TSS-1, or Tethered Satellite System. It had a base satellite, a sub-satellite, and a 20-kilometer-long conductive tether. You may have noticed something wrong here. Electricity needs a closed loop to flow. There is a layer of the Earth's atmosphere called the ionosphere, which has free electrons. Using a fancy electron collector, NASA designed a system to complete the loop. In 1992, TSS-1 was launched aboard Space Shuttle Atlantis. It reached the ionosphere, and it was time to unfurl the 20-kilometer-long tether. Houston, we have a problem. The tether jammed at 260 meters. This crew wasn't gonna cut it. We need to test everything again. It was not good. The tether jammed up at 260 meters, only 1% of its length. The results were not publicized, apart from being roasted by the media. It is embarrassing to have your mistake plastered in the sky for the world to see. But I hope they try again. I imagine the night sky in the future, where space noodles hang from every spaceship and satellite. Bring back space noodles! Please, I haven't seen the sun in years. See you next time.